Ndaga, tampokererani. Welcome back to my channel, Chitumbuka na Loraine. So in this video, we are looking at body fluids. How or what do we call blood, tears, and things like that? Let's get into it. Okay, so yeah, body fluids. Blood, ndopa. But also, for example, in Bible, when they refer to the blood of Jesus, we use the word mwazi wa Yesu, ndopa za Yesu. But so you'll hear both, but ndopa is perfect. But in Bible, probably you read more about mwazi wa Yesu. Oozing zafuma means blood is coming out. It's ndopa zafuma, ndopa za surura. Mwazi wa Yesu ukasurura pampinjika. The blood of Jesus oozed on the cross. Mpinjika cross. Zasurura kusurura means bleeding, oozing. Nosebleed. Kamfuno. It sounds more of a Chichewa word. But yeah, kamfuno should be fine. Tears. Masozi. So in terms of masozi, masozi ya tika. Tears streaming. Masozi ya tika. Streaming kutika. But kutika is also means pouring. Tiran maj. Pour the water in a pot. Yeah. Pouring. So masozi ya tika. Crying. Ulira. But people also, when they want to exaggerate or, yeah, they would say bobota. Hey, wabobota, meaning she, it's like she's screaming and crying a lot. Just adjusting a little bit. That's the problem with when I leave camera, you become aware of so many different things. Okay. Tinalipat kubobota, sweat. Mavuchi. Mavuchi means sweat. When you're sweating, mavuchi ya fuma, mavuchi ya tika, mavuchi yawa. Or just say mavuchi pwe, meaning it's a lot of sweat because it's hot. So this you will hear it a lot because everyone sweats because it's hot. Body odor, sungu. Sungu is in singular. Masungu meaning many. Body odors. Masungu. Sungu la fuma. There's a lot of, yeah. Like smell. Sungu is also called smell. So, urine, matuzi. Urinating, the process of passing urine. Tikuti, we call it kutunda. Kutunda, kutunda. Or in a respectful way, kutaya maji. If you are older, you cannot say to people, ngatundi, unless if they are age mates, but you can't say to younger people, ngatundi, but you would say in a different way. So kutaya maji is one of them. Where has your mom gone? Wamtaya maji, meaning she's going to pass urine. But kutaya maji means she's going to throw water. But actually, it's not the water. We are talking about urine here, but in a respectful way. Pus, maufira, or mafinya. I've got pus coming out of this wound or whatever it is. So that's maufira. pofuma maufira, meaning pus is coming out. When you blow your nose, the mucus or snot, mampina. So the process of blowing your nose is called kupenka. Kapenk, meaning go and blow your nose. Wapenka mampina. Have you blown your nose? So mampina is the mucus that comes through your nose. Breast milk, lukama la mavere. Breast is mavere. When we looked at body parts, I think this was covered. Breast, mavere. Milk, lukama. Breast milk, lukama la mavere. So the way you see the spelling, lukama, la mu mavere. Mavere, breast. Plural. Bere, one. Mavere, plural. So lamu means from the breast. Milk from the breast. That's how you can translate it literally, but it just means breast milk. Lukama la mavere. Because we also have lukama la ng'ombe, meaning milk from the cow. We'll do animals in videos coming up. So yeah, lukama la mbuzi, meaning milk from the goat. Lukama la this, lukama la mavere. La mavere means from human being. When we say lukama la mavere, we are referring to breast milk. Breastfeeding, konkesha. Monkesha ni mwana. Can you feed the baby through your breast? So konkesha means breastfeeding. Sputum, as in coughing up frame. The frame is mankanana. Yuck. Oh my God, it's a lot. Mankanana. Mankanana. Okay, saliva, matter. So what's in our mouth that we spit out? Matter. Spitting, the process of spitting saliva is kufunya. Two, wafunya. So wafunya matter. So you can spit saliva, or you can spit food, you can spit anything. Kufunya matter, kufunya food, kufunya chakula, kufunya whatever you are spitting out. So spit, kufunya. Vomiting, kukula, or kubokola. So either is okay. Kukula or kubokola. The child is vomiting. Mwana kukula. Mwana kubokola, meaning the child is vomiting. So what comes out, the vomitus, we call it maukuzi. Maukuzi. Okay, this is it for this video. Let's stop share. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like if you like the content, if this is the content that you are looking for. And what are you waiting for? Help me to grow the channel so that we can reach to many people and we can grow the channel together. Okay, Naruta, yeo yeo yeo, tionanenge. Bye bye.